Hi YouTube, I'm the developer under the car and behind me is my KIA Sedona. Today I'm going to replace the alternator, and is it going to fix the noises from under the hood? Just watch the video. Remove the engine mount. Remove the engine mount base. Come on. Use the 19mm wrench to put it here on the tensioner and put the pressure down to remove the belt. Okay, so right now I'm going to remove this bracket from the alternator. Here we go. Yeah, it's free, and then I'm going to remove this cable here and this one here. Okay. Taking the cable off. Alright, looks like it's free now. The nut is removed here, and now I'm going to undo this top one bolt, and then we will be thinking how to get the alternator out of there. Okay, the bolt is removed, so I will try to move this alternator right now. Okay, so we've got a serious problem here. Believe it or not, but the lower bolt is hitting the catalytic converter flange, so I am not able to remove it, and I don't even have any idea how to do this without removing whole exhaust manifold. Just take a look. You can see it. Yeah, it's hitting the flange, and I have no idea right now what to do next. I'm angry. Hi, it's the next day. It was a real fight with the lower bolt. I was able to maneuver the alternator in such way that I passed the catalytic converter flange. So right now it looks like the lower bolt is hitting the catalytic converter heat shield, and I'm struggling with removing it. I will show you guys in a second what's going on there. I will be working under the car, that is why I've got my safety glasses and head protection. Bye. Alright, so let me show you guys what is going on here. Let's move a bit. Okay, so up there is the lower bolt of the alternator, and it's hitting the catalytic converter shield. I've already removed the lower bolt, and right now I will try to remove the upper one. It is a real pain. I will see if my Milwaukee impact wrench will handle this. Yeah. Come on. The shield is off. Oh man. And right now I will try to move the bolt. Yes, 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 yes. It cost me so much. The bolt is removed. Oh my god. Okay, so alternator is free, and the plan of attack is to try to remove this fuse box here and try sliding the alternator here, and then we should be good. Alright, so 2 days of struggling, and this guy is out. Howdy! Okay, so we've got 4th day of the repair. Of course it takes longer because I was waiting for the alternator repair. I can show you guys what is going on with the alternator. I've gave this alternator to the guys in the shop that is specializing in that kind of stuff. And here we've got the alternator fixed. They've replaced the alternator clutch. They also replaced. They also have replaced the bearings and the brushes. I cannot hear any difference right now, but these guys told me that this clutch was having bad balls in there, and yeah, the bearings were worn off, so looks like new. It's clean, regenerated. So right now I'm going to install it. Let me show you how the lower bolt looks like. This is the bolt itself, and the problem was I was hitting with this flange to the flange of the catalytic converter, and then to the catalytic converter shield. So to make things easier next time and during the installation process, I'm going to grind off all the edges with and leave just the one to you know, to keep this this bolt from spinning. So yeah, right now I will be grinding these edges, so then Probably it will be easier to install it again. Okay, so this is my bench grinder. As you can see, I'm using it on the floor because I'm lazy. So I will just try to show you guys how I'm doing this stuff right now. Oh no. This is how it looks like right now. And check this out. Yeah. It's still doing its job, but potentially it will be more painful to remove it or move it, install it back again. Putting some anti-seize here and here, just to make things easier. All right. It was like that. Something like that. Oh, that was easy. Check this out. It's installed. I'm going to put the lower bolt. Okay, so bolts are in, so bolting in the wires. Okay. Okay, the alternator is done. Check this out. The belt is on. Yeah, putting back together the fuse box. Putting in the connectors. Putting back again the engine mount base, torquing down the 3 bolts, putting this guy back again here, the second bolt. Right now I'm lifting the engine with my floor jack to, as you can see, meet the 2 engine mounts together. I forgot to mention it. I about it in the beginning. Probably it's not a bad idea to remove the battery clamp, because the plus is directly connected to the wire on the alternator, so there might be a lot of sparks if you are not careful. Putting the clamp back again. Alright. Good news, guys. It's still not fixed. Believe it or not, it's still not fixed. I don't know what it is making. What is making this weird sound? As I said before, the alternator did not fix the noise, so believe it or not, I'm still fighting. So right now I'm checking this guy out. Probably I should do this first. Okay, the wheel is out, so probably I should, lose the tension, but I'm lazy and I'm angry, so I'm not going to fight with it and just remove the belt. Alright, so So yeah, probably you right now know how to remove the tensioner and the alternator, but the problem still exists. I don't know what is happening here. Everything is fine. The next thing might be broken is the water pump, but who knows. So this was Developer under the car. And once again I'm failing. Wait for the next episode. See ya!